Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Commerce Bank Review My Usage Experience. Commerce Bank Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to manage and review your Commerce Bank accounts and transactions. Its main purpose is to provide customers with a clear and accessible overview of their banking activity, allowing for easy monitoring of spending, transfers, and account balances. Key features likely include account summaries, transaction history, and potentially tools for budgeting or financial planning. Their website provides details on specific features and account access requirements. The service positions itself as a convenient and user-friendly way to manage your Commerce Bank finances online. It emphasizes ease of access and transparency, offering a centralized dashboard for all your banking needs. While specific pricing isn't applicable here, as it's part of existing banking services, the benefit lies in the streamlined interface and readily available information. Availability is limited to Commerce Bank customers, and access is granted through your existing online banking credentials. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Commerce Bank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly straightforward. After logging into my Commerce Bank online account, I easily accessed the review section. The interface was intuitive and clean. I found navigating between different accounts and viewing transaction history very easy. I specifically appreciated the clear categorization of transactions, making it simple to track spending by category. The performance was consistently reliable, the site loaded quickly, and I never experienced any glitches or delays. I had a quick question about a specific transaction and their online help center answered it thoroughly. I was really impressed by how easy it was to download a detailed report of my transactions for tax purposes. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have made checking my account on the go more convenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Commerce Bank Review My Usage Experience. It's a robust and user-friendly tool that makes managing my finances much simpler. That's my overview of Commerce Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.